Hi, welcome to the VidiFab YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix movies to your PC as MP4 or MKV files. To do this, I'll use the VidiFab streaming video downloader. You can download it and try it for free. Once it's installed, launch the software. Click on Preferences. Set your output format to either MP4 or MKV. Now, access the Netflix service inside VidiFab. Find the movie or any title you want to download. Click the download icon. In the settings window, set the video quality, pick your audio language, and select your preferred subtitle type. Once set up, click Download. When the download is complete, just click this little folder icon to find your file. Now, you can open this video with the default media player or any player you want for offline seamless viewing. Hope this video helps you. For more quick tech tips, I'll see you in the next video.